So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your TikTok camera quality. So if you have been uploading video on TikTok and TikTok is reducing the quality of the video, then you need to watch this video. Looking here on the screen is the home page of my TikTok app. So let's say you want to upload video and you click on the plus button like this, clicking on the gallery icon and selecting the video like this, then click on next. So let's say you want to upload this video and this video is maybe on a high quality already, and you click on next like this. This is what you can simply do. Looking here, you can see where it says more option. So when you click on that, you need to scroll gently like this. You're going to see the option of allow high quality upload. So if yours is turned off, you need to turn this on. Make sure that this is turned on. Now once this is turned on, TikTok is not going to reduce the quality of that video that you want to upload. So you just need to make sure that this is turned on like this. Once it is turned on, click on post and post your video, and TikTok is not going to reduce the quality. So this is how simple it is to fix your TikTok camera quality. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful tips like this on this channel. See you in the next one.